When Cedar Lake Plaza was hit by a recent tornado, they knew they needed an expert. This project involved lifting over 20 tons, 80 feet in the air above a large skylight. The brick doctor was tasked with rebuilding the stone gables, and we're happy to report that everyone completed the job safe and incident-free. Special thanks to Nick, Brandon, Matt, Dylan, Shane, and Zach for their dedicated hard work and professionalism and commitment to safety. From crane operators to masons, our expert craftsmen prove why we're Oklahoma's #1 masonry company. At the Brick Doctor, we don't just fix buildings, we restore pride, brick, block, stone, or rock. Trust the experts, call us today.